Choosing a backup destination for your iPhone.
Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking about how to select a backup destination for your iPhone. Ensuring your iPhone is backed up is crucial as it secures your data in case of accidental loss or hardware damage.
What are my backup options?
There are two main methods for backing up your iPhone. You can back up to iCloud, Apple's online storage service, or you can back up to your local computer using iTunes. Let's go through each of these options in detail.
How do I back up to iCloud?
To back up your iPhone to iCloud, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Select iCloud. 4. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. 5. Make sure the iCloud Backup toggle is turned on. 6. Hit Backup now to manually initiate a backup. Remember, backups to iCloud happen automatically whenever your device is connected to Wi-Fi, locked, and charging.
How do I back up to my computer using iTunes?
To back up your iPhone to your computer, follow these steps. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer. 2. Open iTunes and locate your device. 3. Click on the device icon on the top left. 4. In the Backup section, select this computer. 5. Click on Backup Now to initiate a backup. Note, you can choose to encrypt iPhone backup for extra security. This will require you to create a password. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to select a backup destination for your iPhone. Whether you choose iCloud or your local computer, remember to back up regularly to keep your data safe. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.